I'm Dr. Akhtar Badshah. I am a faculty at the University of Washington in Seattle, the United States. And I'm also the author of Purpose Mindset, a book that I've written around purposeful leadership. I run a consulting practice, and before that, I ran Microsoft's corporate philanthropy, supporting nonprofit organizations around the world. I had the opportunity to meet Dr. Sharma a few months ago in Seattle. He shared with us the Andhra Medical Technology Zone, what he was claiming that he was doing, what he had achieved, and he basically invited us to come and visit. So my wife and I decided to take up on the offer and come to Vizag, Visakhapatnam, and AMTZ to see what you all have created here. It is one of the most fascinating set of innovative buildings, medical technology research, medical technology manufacturing, from the smallest thing of just simple testing to high-end MRI machines, MRI coils, radiation testing, and you can take a whole set of medical products that are being developed here. I just think that this is one of the most impressive manufacturing environments that I have come and visited, but also it just shows the power of 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 individuals coming together and just doing things. What is very fascinating is that there is a saying on the AMTZ offices, does not say no for any work or responsibilities. I think that's a message that all of us should live with. Just do something. Thank you very much.